Looking to build or upgrade your gaming rig with the latest Intel 14th Gen processors? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best Intel 14th Gen gaming motherboards. We'll break down the pros and cons of each option to help you choose the perfect one for your setup. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Asrock B760M Pro RS Intel 14th Gen gaming motherboard. The Asrock B760M Pro RS Intel 14th Gen gaming motherboard brings significant features to gamers and PC enthusiasts looking to build or upgrade their systems. With support for Intel's 12th, 13th, and upcoming 14th Gen core processors, this motherboard is built to accommodate a wide range of Intel chips. It also provides robust performance with a variety of connectivity options. However, like any component, it has both strengths and drawbacks. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons. Pros: broad processor support. One of the standout features of the Asrock B760M Pro RS is its compatibility with Intel's 12th, 13th, and upcoming 14th Gen core processors, LGA 1700. This makes the motherboard a versatile option for users who want the flexibility to upgrade their CPU over time without needing to change their entire setup. High-speed memory support. The motherboard supports DDR5 RAM running at speeds of up to 7,200 MHz. This allows for higher bandwidth and better overall system performance, which is particularly beneficial for gaming, video editing, and multitasking. PCIe 5.0 support. With a PCIe 5.0 x 16 slot, this motherboard is future-proof to handle next-generation graphics cards and other PCIe 5.0 compatible components, ensuring that your system stays competitive as new technologies emerge. Multiple M.2 slots. The motherboard includes 3 Hyper M.2 slots, supporting PCIe Gen 4. This provides ample storage expansion options for high-speed SSDs, improving load times and overall system responsiveness. Enhanced audio experience. Equipped with a Realtek ALC 897 7.1 ch HD audio codec and the HEMIC Audio 4, the motherboard delivers high-quality sound, offering an immersive experience for gamers, media creators, and casual listeners alike. Ample USB ports. With a combination of USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, and USB 2.0 ports, this motherboard ensures you have plenty of options for connecting peripherals, storage devices, and other accessories. Fast networking. The inclusion of Dragon 2.5G LAN support offers high-speed, low-latency networking, which is perfect for gamers and anyone requiring fast internet speeds for tasks like streaming or large file transfers. Cons. Limited power phase design. The 7+1+1 power phase design, while sufficient for most users, may not provide the level of power delivery required for extreme overclocking or high-end performance tuning, especially when paired with high-performance CPUs. The Asrock B760M Pro RS Intel 14th Gen gaming motherboard offers strong performance, ample connectivity, and future-proofing features that make it an excellent choice for gamers and PC builders. Coming in at number 4, the Asus Prime Z790M Plus Intel 14th Gen gaming motherboard. The Asus Prime Z790M Plus motherboard is an excellent option for users looking to build a high-performance gaming or productivity PC. It supports the latest Intel processors, including the 14th, 12th, and 13th Gen Intel CPUs. Offering a blend of power, connectivity, and cooling solutions, this motherboard aims to elevate the user experience for both daily users and DIY builders. Pros. Wide compatibility with Intel processors. The Intel LGA 1700 socket on the Asus Prime Z790M Plus supports a variety of Intel processors, including the latest 14th Gen series as well as the 12th and 13th Gen processors. This compatibility ensures future-proofing for users planning to upgrade their CPUs over time. Stable power delivery. Equipped with a 10+1 DRMOS power design, a 6-layer PCB, Pro-Cool sockets, alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, this motherboard offers stable and efficient power delivery to the CPU. This is crucial for maintaining optimal performance, especially during intense gaming or heavy workloads. Next-gen connectivity. The Asus Prime Z790M Plus motherboard supports PCIe 5.0, DDR5 memory, and Intel 1GB Ethernet, which ensures fast data transfer speeds. Additionally, it comes with USB 3.2 Gen 2 X2 Type-C, front panel USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C, and Thunderbolt USB 4 header support, offering versatile connectivity options for modern devices. Enhanced memory overclocking. Thanks to Asus Optane M2 technology, the motherboard optimizes memory trace routing and enhances signal integrity. This results in better memory overclocking potential, which is ideal for users looking to push their systems to higher speeds. Comprehensive cooling solutions. The motherboard is equipped with a large VRM heatsink, PCH heatsink, and hybrid fan headers that allow for optimal cooling. These features help keep the system cool, even under load, ensuring stable performance over long gaming or work sessions. The Fan Expert software further optimizes fan speeds based on system requirements. Cons. Limited expansion slots. While the Asus Prime Z790M Plus offers support for PCIe 5.0, the number of expansion slots is limited, which could be restrictive for users looking to install multiple high-end GPUs or expansion cards. The Asus Prime Z790M Plus is an excellent motherboard that offers a range of features designed to deliver high performance for gaming and heavy workloads. With stable power delivery, next-gen connectivity, and cooling solutions, it provides solid performance for both beginners and seasoned builders. At number 3, we have the Gigabyte Z790M Aorus Elite Intel 14th Gen gaming motherboard. The Gigabyte Z790M Aorus Elite motherboard is built for gamers and tech enthusiasts looking to maximize performance with Intel's 13th and 14th Gen processors. Packed with cutting-edge technology and features, it promises a high-performance experience with better connectivity, efficient thermal management, and support for the latest hardware. This video is an analysis of the motherboard's strengths and weaknesses to help you decide if it's the right choice for your next gaming rig. Pros. Broad processor support. The Z790M Aorus Elite motherboard supports both 14th and 13th Gen Intel Core series processors, which is a great benefit for those looking to future-proof their systems or upgrade from earlier Intel chips. This compatibility provides flexibility and ensures the motherboard remains relevant for a few generations of Intel processors. Dual-channel DDR5 compatibility. With DDR5 memory support, this motherboard provides faster speeds and better performance for memory-intensive tasks. DDR5 is the latest standard in RAM, offering higher bandwidth and improved efficiency compared to DDR4, making it an excellent option for gamers, creators, and power users. Efficient power design. The twin 12+1+1 phases digital VRM solution ensures the motherboard can deliver stable power to the CPU, which is essential for high-performance gaming and overclocking. This commanding power design helps to keep the system running smoothly, even under load. Advanced thermal management. Equipped with M.2 thermal guards, an advanced thermal design, and a 6-layer PCB, the Z790M Aorus Elite excels in maintaining temperatures under control, even during extended gaming sessions. This enhanced thermal design reduces the risk of thermal throttling, improving overall system longevity and stability. Fast connectivity options. Featuring next-gen connectivity options like PCIe 4.0 x 4M.2 slots, USB 3.2 Gen 2 X2 Type-C, and 2.5 GB LAN, the motherboard ensures you have the necessary speed for data transfers, networking, and storage. The Intel Wi-Fi 6E support also enables faster wireless connections, making it ideal for those with a modern Wi-Fi setup. Cons. Limited RAM slots. The motherboard has dual-channel DDR5 memory support, but only 2 RAM slots are available. This limits the total amount of memory you can install, making it less ideal for users requiring large amounts of RAM for professional workstations or content creation. The Gigabyte Z790M Aorus Elite motherboard is a powerful and feature-rich option for gamers and enthusiasts looking to build or upgrade their system with Intel's latest processors. With excellent power delivery, thermal management, and connectivity, it stands out in the crowded motherboard market. Next up at number 2 is the Msi Pro Z790-A Max Intel 14th Gen gaming motherboard. The Msi Pro Z790-A Max gaming motherboard is designed to support Intel's 12th, 13th, and next-gen 14th Gen processors, making it a great option for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking to build a high-performance system. With its advanced features and premium thermal design, it promises a smooth and efficient gaming experience. In this video, we'll dive into the pros and cons of this motherboard to help you determine if it's the right fit for your setup. Pros: broad processor compatibility. One of the standout features of the Msi Pro Z790-A Max motherboard is its support for Intel's Core 12th, 13th, and 14th Gen processors, including Pentium Gold and Celeron processors. This broad compatibility gives users flexibility when building or upgrading their systems, allowing them to select from a wide range of CPUs depending on their needs and budget. DDR5 memory support. This motherboard supports the latest DDR5 memory, offering speeds of up to 7,800 plus MHz in dual-channel mode. DDR5 is faster and more efficient than previous generations, improving system performance, especially in memory-intensive tasks like gaming, content creation, and multitasking. Enhanced power design. The Msi Pro Z790-A Max boasts a 16+1+1 DRPS power design, which ensures stable and reliable power delivery to the CPU. This is complemented by ADA SPS and dual 8-pin CPU power connectors, ensuring that high-performance processors can operate at full capacity without power limitations. This power setup is a great benefit for users looking to overclock their CPU for enhanced performance. Cons: no Wi-Fi 6E support. While the motherboard supports fast Ethernet connections, it lacks built-in Wi-Fi 6E support, which is becoming increasingly common on modern motherboards. For users who prefer wireless connections, this could be a significant drawback, as they would need to invest in an additional Wi-Fi card or external solution. The Msi Pro Z790-A Max Intel 14th Gen gaming motherboard is a solid choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking for a high-performance, stable, and reliable motherboard. With its wide processor compatibility, support for DDR5 memory, and robust power and thermal management, it stands out as an excellent option for building a next-gen system. Finally, at number 1, we have the Asus ROG Strix Z790-A Intel 14th Gen gaming motherboard. The Asus ROG Strix Z790-A gaming motherboard offers a robust platform for users looking to build a high-performance PC, especially for gaming and other demanding tasks. Packed with an array of impressive features, it supports Intel's latest 14th Gen processors and provides top-notch power solutions and cooling options. However, no product is without its drawbacks. This video is a detailed review of the pros and cons of this motherboard. Pros: compatibility with latest Intel processors. The Asus ROG Strix Z790-A supports Intel's LGA 1700 socket, making it compatible with both 13th Gen and 12th Gen Intel Core processors, as well as Intel Pentium Gold and Celeron processors. This broad compatibility ensures you can build or upgrade your PC with a wide range of options for different performance needs. Robust power solution. Featuring a 16+1+2 power solution rated for 78 per stage, the Z790-A is engineered to handle multi-core processors efficiently. This powerful setup, complemented by dual ProCool 2 power connectors and high-quality alloy chokes and durable capacitors, ensures stable power delivery for peak performance during intense gaming or multitasking sessions. Optimized VRM thermals. One of the standout features of the Z790A is its massive heatsinks with an integrated I/O cover and high conductivity thermal pads. The motherboard also uses an L-shaped heat pipe for better heat dissipation. These elements work together to ensure that the power delivery system stays cool even during prolonged use, preventing thermal throttling and maintaining system stability. Ample M.2 support. The Z790A offers ample M.2 storage support, including one PCIe 4.0 M.2 slot with a heatsink and backplate and 4 additional PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots with heatsinks. This provides users with plenty of storage options, all while ensuring your drives stay cool for maximum performance and reliability. Cons. Overkill for basic users. The motherboard is packed with features that cater to high-end gaming setups and heavy workloads. However, for users who don't need advanced connectivity or multi-GPU support, the extra features may go underutilized, making this motherboard overkill for basic builds or casual users. The Asus ROG Strix Z790-A Intel 14th Gen gaming motherboard stands out for its premium build quality, impressive power solutions, and extensive connectivity options. It is an excellent choice for high-performance gaming PCs and other demanding use cases.